everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very fun video. I'm gonna be doing a luxury haul. I think this is my first luxury haul I've ever done on my channel, but I've been browsing The Real and purchasing some things over the past couple of weeks. And I'm finally ready to share everything that I got. Don't forget to subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. So I went ahead and picked up these Versace sunglasses. It's crazy because I remember wanting these whenever they had come out, and I feel like everyone and their mother owns these, but I just wanted some really like, I don't want to look anyone in the eyes sort of sunglasses that I can wear like out and about, but also like make an outfit look super cute. This is what the little sunglasses case looks like. Ta-da! We have some gorgeous little sunglasses. How freaking stunning are these? Like so cute. And I'm all for looking like bug-eyed with my sunglasses. So this is very on point for me. This is what they look like on. Like I'm just like, don't talk to me. But also I love you and I'm your best friend and come hug me. I don't know, it's like giving mixed messages, but you know what I mean. I feel like they're so cute and I love the like massive look that they have. Like it just looks so dramatic and I think it's so great. So yeah, this is the first purchase I made. And then the next purchase I made was this Louis Vuitton little wallet. This one only came with a dust bag, not the original box, which is totally fine. This is what she looks like. How cute. Pink detailing, and I love the white and black sort of checks with the little pink interior. It's so freaking cute, and I've been really wanting a smaller wallet that still has enough room for a couple cards, some cash, and some coins up here. And I just think this is so cute, and this is gonna last me like such a long time. What's nice about this too is I love when they have these like interior pockets here behind the main cards, because that's where I put my like membership stuff and everything like that. So this next one I feel like you guys are going to want to roast me for. But let me give you a vision. I don't know if you guys know of Emma Bruin, but she does these like really gorgeous looking faux fur hats that look like real fur, and they're massive. They're so cute. So this is Emma Bruin. This is like what her hats look like, and they're literally like 500 pounds, I guess, because it's British currency or euros. But I found this unmarked sort of hat that looks exactly like Emma Bruin's. And it's my color scheme and it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Just such a cute hat. I'm like, who wore this? What was the story behind this? Like, I need to know. But obviously I'm wearing, I am wearing a ponytail, so I can't exactly shove it on my head, but you get the idea, right? I know you get the idea. I know it looks a little crazy, but this is like totally a vibe, I swear. Totally a vibe. So yeah, this was a super fun purchase. And then here is the next thing I bought. This is a cute little like, they call it like keychains, I guess, or like purse tags. And of course I had to get this Leo purse tag when I saw it. I believe this is from Marc Jacobs. And you just kind of like will hook it around the side of a bag and just have it on display, because us Leos, like we need everybody to know that we're a Leo, you know, like it's just very much that. I can also see myself like hanging it off of a keychain or putting it on like the back of a backpack, just to have like a more subtle way of showing it than like literally carrying it on your bag. I fell in love with this sweater when I found it, and this was like an instant purchase for me because I kind of check like every other day or just whenever I have time throughout the day to see what the new arrivals are, because that's really where it's at. And I got this Yves Saint Laurent sweater. It's like this square neckline, which I think is very popular right now, and it's got a bit of a puff sleeve, and then on top of that it's got this like little ribbon part where this is where you would tie this around your neck and have a gorgeous little cute bow like at the center and have like this open space right here. I can show you what it looked like on the mannequin. So as you can see, this part sort of wraps around. I cannot wait to style this. This is gonna be like my favorite sweater from now on forever. It's giving very French. It's so like put together, so classic, so timeless, so like Audrey Hepburn. I love Audrey Hepburn. That's definitely one of my style inspirations, but obviously make it me. You know what I mean? Also, another thing about shopping on there is you can find designers that you hadn't heard of before. When I saw this, I was like, ooh, okay, this creator has something, you know what I mean? This tag is kind of like falling off, which is really sad. I need to sew it back in, but Sandy Liang. And I got this like sort of sweater top situation that's like really, really light. You know what I mean? Like those, it's giving like a Y2K sort of vibe. And it's got all of these cute little pink butterflies. I can see myself wearing it like this already with this top. Like I feel like that would be super cute. And I'm more of like a long sleeve girl. Like I really don't like short stuff or like tank top stuff. I'm wearing a turtleneck and it's like July 1st, but I do try to get stuff that's a little bit lighter so I'm not like suffocating. And I love layering pieces, and I think this will go great with tons of stuff. I love the cute little butterflies. It's such a vibe. Okay, so it's a skirt and it's got this like leg part that's open, and then at the top it's basically like a skirt. Like it's got these underneath, and then you sort of belt this over, and then you're kind of like covered, and it's a fashion statement with this like pleated long skirt. Now I love this type of vibe. I really don't wear skirts unless they have something going on down there, because I do not like risking it. At least it just makes me like uncomfortable and nervous to like walk around in this massive box, which was very, very unnecessary. But this is the Gucci piece that I got. This is what the box looks like. I actually have a Gucci box on display there, which is when I got my pink Gucci tights. Let me know if you guys would like to see like my luxuries collection, because I'd be happy to share that. This came with the little dust bags and yay! Okay, so I got these Gucci espadrilles. I don't know espadrilles. Like my you know, Hispanic side is like espadrilles. But how cute are these? Oh my gosh, they are so cute. And they're the perfect like summer shoe, just super wearable, like I don't even know, like just very summery vibes. I love how it's a platform too, like it gives it that extra oomph, you know what I mean? And I think with this color, you can wear it with absolutely anything. So cute, I love it. That is it for today's video, you guys. I love how these are sticking out from the bottom. Stay down. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Let me know down below what your favorite luxury piece was, or if you guys would like to see like a luxury collection video. I think that could be fun. And I'll definitely go ahead and do that. Oh my god, why do I want to put on my glasses to say goodbye? Oh yeah, don't forget to like this video as well, and make sure you enter the giveaway that I posted in my last video. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a cute ass day, and bye!